Hello everyone, today's demonstration I'm going to install 7-Zip on Windows 10. So let's begin. I'm going to be using Firefox for this demonstration. If you like, you can use either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, but I'm going to be using Firefox. Close this. Okay, so we're going to type in www.7. Oh, forgot to type it. www.7 dash zip.org. You can also search it and type in 7-zip as well here and enter, and it will as well be the same site. It should be the first one on the listing order. And click it. All right. So what we're gonna do is this is a 64-bit copy of Windows. So I'm gonna download this, and this is the stable version. The alpha is a it's like a it's still in testing. So you can also double check here and click on download as well, and it will this will be the current version that it has. And there's different format and how you open it. So I'm gonna be using the 64-bit. I'm gonna click on download, then save file. Then I'm gonna go and open up the folder, and then double click on the installer for 7-zip. I'm gonna click yes, and then minimize the Firefox browser. Then click install. This is the location where I'm gonna be installing the 7-zip. Then it's already installed. Then we're gonna click close. To verify that it got installed and you don't see it here, you have to type it. Excuse me, 7-zip. There you go. 7-zip file manager. And this is how you install 7-zip. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.